Hey there, pharmaceutical science fans! Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of pharmaceutical analysis? Don't worry, I promise to keep it explosive. Today we're tackling Q2 Analytical Validation, a cornerstone of pharmaceutical quality control. Think of it like this. Imagine you're building a rocket. You wouldn't just slap it together and hope for the best, right? You'd rigorously test every component, every weld, every system to ensure it performs flawlessly. That's what Q2 Analytical Validation is all about. Ensuring that the methods we use to test pharmaceuticals are accurate, reliable, and consistent. We want to know that our medications are safe and effective, and that's where Q2 Analytical Validation comes in. It's a set of guidelines established by regulatory bodies like the International Council for Harmonization, or ICH, to ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. In a nutshell, Q2 Analytical Validation is like a rigorous testing ground for our analytical methods, ensuring they can hit the mark every single time. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to demystify this critical process. Now, you might be wondering what's with all these letters and numbers? Q2, R1, Q2, R2? Well, just like we upgrade our gadgets to the latest version, the guidelines for analytical validation have also evolved over time. Q2, R1 was the previous version, and it served us well for many years. But as science advanced and we gained more experience, it became clear that we needed a more flexible and science-based approach. That's where Q2, R2 comes in. Think of it like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Q2, R2 introduces a more lifecycle approach to validation, meaning we consider the entire lifespan of an analytical method from development to retirement. It emphasizes risk assessment so we can focus our validation efforts on the most critical aspects. With any new upgrade, there's a bit of a learning curve, right? That's where Q2, R2/Q14 IWG Training comes in. The ICH, along with other experts, develop training materials and guidance documents to help everyone understand and implement these new guidelines. It's like having a user manual for your new smartphone. The training covers everything from the principles of Q2, R2, to practical examples and case studies. It's designed to be accessible to everyone involved in analytical validation, from analysts in the lab to quality assurance professionals. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Q2, R2/Q14 IWG Training provides the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the world of analytical validation with confidence. Section 4. Building a solid foundation. Q14 Analytical Procedure Development. Now, before we can even validate an analytical method, we need to develop one, right? That's where Q14 Analytical Procedure Development comes in. It's like laying the foundation for a strong and sturdy building. Imagine you're baking a cake. You wouldn't just toss ingredients together randomly, would you? You'd follow a recipe, carefully measuring each ingredient to ensure the perfect texture and flavor. Q14 provides a framework for developing analytical methods that are fit for their intended purpose. It emphasizes a systematic approach, considering factors like the analyte we're measuring, the sample matrix, and the required sensitivity and selectivity. By following Q14 guidelines, we can develop robust and reliable methods that are ready for validation. Section 5. Real-world applications. Q2, R2 in action. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, but how does Q2, R2 actually play out in the real world? Let's look at a practical example. Imagine we're developing a new drug for high blood pressure. Before this drug can hit the market, we need to ensure its quality and purity. We develop an analytical method to measure the active ingredient in the drug, as well as any potential impurities. Using Q2, R2 principles, we validate this method to demonstrate that it's accurate, precise, and specific. We also establish a system for ongoing monitoring to ensure the method remains reliable throughout its life cycle. This rigorous validation process gives us confidence that our analytical results are accurate and reliable, ensuring the safety and efficacy of the drug for patients. Section 6. The importance of staying current. Q2, R2, and beyond. The world of science is constantly evolving, and so are the guidelines that govern it. Q2, R2 is the current gold standard for analytical validation, but it's essential to stay informed about any updates or revisions. Think of it like updating the software on your smartphone. These updates often include new features, bug fixes, and security improvements. Similarly, updates to guidelines like Q2 R2 reflect the latest scientific advancements and regulatory expectations. By staying current with the latest guidelines and training, we can ensure that our analytical methods are always top-notch, safeguarding the quality, safety, and efficacy of the pharmaceuticals we rely on. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing, review, and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutions.com for a prompt response.